Shanxi province in North China was once deemed unsuitable for tea cultivation due to its low temperatures and scarce rainfall. However, in the rural area of Yuncheng in Shanxi, a woman has led a team of villagers to successfully cultivate a vast area of high-altitude tea.
我们是2008年来到这个四郊王家河村里面来试种茶叶的。那么经过了5年的尝试啊，然后于2013年出产了第一批茶叶。
After years of cultivation, Chen's factory has expanded its tea plantation to around 33.3 hectares. Tea cultivation has brought increased income for local villagers and helped advance rural revitalization.
我家呢有2亩多地，得全部流转给茶厂，每年有1000多块钱的收入。我在这茶厂打工呢，1个月也有几千块钱的收入，既能照顾孩子，也能照顾老人。
目前带动了村里呢，100多户进行茶叶的工作啊。那么村民们呢，也是通过茶叶呢，然后进行致富了。每年他们大约都有1万多元到2万元的收入。